Coal, the carbon-based result of water, rocks, and dirt compressing plant life for millions of years. Cavemen used coal for heat, light, and cooking. The earliest coal mines were discovered in China, dating back over 3,000 years. The use of coal exploded in the mid-1700s during the Industrial Revolution. Iron and steel plants needed coal because it burned hotter, cleaner, and longer than wood. Coal powered the steam engine, which led to a boom in transportation both by rail and sea. And by the 1960s, coal became the United States' leading fuel for electricity. Coal is non-renewable and has contributed to increased carbon dioxide emissions and global warming. Although efforts have been made to slow its consumption, coal still fuels nearly 30% of the world's energy.